guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today I'm going to be making my chocolate sweet potato pie. Now all we're going to need for this recipe is my chocolate sweet potato pudding base, which you can find the recipe for right above. And then we're also going to be using my easy gluten-free, vegan, and oil-free pie crust, which you can find the recipe for right above as well. We're also going to be having this in the oven. We're going to bake it at 375 for 30 to 40 minutes, checking at about the 25-minute mark. So I'm going to bring you guys in here and fill this pie up. All right, we've gotten to this point. We have everything made. Now we're just going to be making it into a pie. So I'm going to take my sweet potato pudding and filling this up. Now, depending on what size of a baking dish you're using, you can always go ahead and double your pie recipe. I'm going to be making more of a thin pie, so I'm probably going to be right around that 30-minute mark just because of the size of my baking dish, but that looks like it is going to be ready to go right into the oven. So we're going to head over to the oven and get this baking. All right, our oven has been preheated to 375. We're going to open it up, put in our pie, and we're going to set the timer for 30 to 40 minutes, checking at the 20-minute mark. All right, our timer just went off. This pie has been in here for 30 minutes. We're going to pull it out, and that looks delicious. Now you can see got a nice gold crust on that crust there. I'm going to set this on top of the oven, let it cool down for a little bit, and we'll get back into the kitchen. I'll tell you what I think of it. All right, guys, I got the kitchen all tidied up. I let the pie rest for about 45 minutes when I pulled it out of the oven. Again, 375 for 30 to 40 minutes, depending on how thick your pie is, and that all depends on the diameter of your pie tin. So it turned out perfect. If you can tell, it looks fantastic. It's got a great bake all the way through. The crust got done perfectly as well. Now I'm going to give this guy a try. That is fantastic. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit the like button. And if you give it a try and you love it, you hate it, you probably won't, you will love it. Put it down in the comment section below and let me know how it goes. Hit the like button. If you want to see more videos just like this one, hit the subscribe button. I'm Plant-Based Gabriel with my chocolate sweet potato pie. Hopefully I will see you guys very soon.